Okay, I know what you're probably thinking. This guy just created out of nowhere a review platform for the trading space. Yes, I did. Let me explain. So, no, I didn't quit trading. No, I didn't give up. No, not at all. Yes, I know I may have not uploaded for a while, but it's because I was building this project and I love trading. I will never quit trading. I will continue to push out content on my weekly reflections, raw content, my trading journey. It's just that for some of you guys who don't know, I am also next to trader, content creator. I'm also a designer and developer. So I build brands, I build basically websites. And a company contacted me in the beginning of this month to basically build this great idea they have. It's basically a trading review platform, but with so many cool things, and I'm excited to show you guys. This is what we have built. So this is it. We've built tradingpilot.net. It's live, and basically what it is, it's a trading review platform, but then for everything related to trading. So you can see here, we have a lot of options that are basically industries within the trading industry, right? We have prop firms, educators, brokers, softwares, whatever. The homepage basically is where all the reputable trading brands are displayed. So it's not just that we put a lot of shitty companies here. These are actually well-established companies. If they do something scammy, we remove them from the homepage. So as I said in the beginning, I built this for a company. So I don't decide whether or not the company is listed. I don't decide whether it's unlisted. That's not my choice, but I did design and develop this whole thing. So basically, these are all the listed service providers. We have the rating here on the right top. We have the category right here. We have the amount of reviews, the name of the company, and then a display of the stars. What you can do is, right now we just launched, so every prop firm or educator or broker that's on here has a rating of 0.1 and 0 reviews. So as long as the first review is getting pushed through, then we get an average rating of the firm, right? So on the homepage, there's a lot of cool filters. Basically, of course, you can filter through category. You can choose whether it's the reviews from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Same with the rating. You can search a service provider. You can basically drag whatever rating you want to see. Now only ratings between 2.9 and 4.6 you can see. And basically, this is everything you need to know about the homepage. So if you click on a service provider somewhere right here, you will get redirected to its rating page, right? So let's say we're going to the Fivers, okay? Oh, maybe let's have one example where I already reviewed so you can see it. So for example, Alpha Capital Group. There's one that already left a review. So the reviews will be displayed right here on the company page. You will see an overview of the rating. You can filter through stars. There's only one 4-star rating, and you can write a review yourself. Now, what sets Trading Pilot apart is that we basically require a proof of purchase in order to verify the reviews. So you see, let's say we want to write a review for Alpha Capital Group. You write your title of your review, the review, you define your stars. You can submit the review before you choose and upload a file that basically is your receipt that you bought a challenge from Alpha Capital Group or whatever. You have just a payment verification so that we know and we can check from your first and last name in your profile that this is like matching, right? Otherwise, we are not letting through the review. If you submit this, it will not automatically be put here. So that's basically the goal of Trading Pilot. Only verified reviews will be put here so that you can basically trust these reviews more, right? Now, apart from that, we also have a discussion channel on each service provider. So this is not moderated. The reviews they need a verification, but the discussion is basically just once you sign up, you can just literally just in real time chat with each other about this service provider. So I can just write yo right here, and it will pop up right here. You can reply, you can edit, you can upvote each other comment, and you can basically start a thread right here and basically discuss this service provider and give your thoughts without basically having to input a verification of your payment, right? So this is like where you just want to chat, and this is basically where the real reviews will be displayed. So that's that. Let me just quickly delete this yo. So this is the company page. This is all the listed page. And we are planning to launch coupons page where we will have the best coupons of the trading space. We will have a banned page. Let me go to the banned page. So this page will basically show all the banned or suspended service providers in the trading space. Basically just firms and educators and brokers you should watch out for because they did some stupid things in the past. They scammed a lot of people. They're a little bit sus. They will be displayed right here. Right now we don't have anyone, but they will be added soon. Coupons also, this will be coming soon. Just a nice list of all coupons, and you can filter through category that you can apply if you want to buy a challenge or you want to buy a course from an educator or you want to start with a broker. There's a coupon. It will all be put here. Now the unlisted page is the only other page that's also ready right now. What it is literally just the opposite of the home page. It's just firms, educators, whatever softwares that are not listed, but you can vote for them to get listed. So let's say you trade with this company, you have bought a course from this educator, and you basically like them, you have the great experience with them. What you can do is you can just upvote for them, and then we can see, and this will get sorted from highest votes to lowest votes, which ones are having a lot of votes, and then we can consider them putting on the homepage. So that's basically it. Apart from that, we're also building a news section. So there will be basically like blog articles from the latest trading news. Let's say there's a prop firm shut down, we will put it here, whatever. Basically, this is everything you need to know. So I'm super excited for what you guys think. I love this project. I'm super proud that I finally have finalized this because it took some while, some sweats and tears. But yeah, I hope everything works. If there's some bugs or something, please just use the chat widget and then I will just be with you and just fix your problem you have. But yes, that's basically it for now. I will continue to post my journey. I'm super excited to finally start trading again. Like, I'm just the kind of guy who, once he has a project going on, I can't just focus on two things. So I was like kind of looking at the markets at like New York open, but then we had some things to do with this. It was not finalized. So I was like, fuck, let's just finish this. And I missed a lot of trading sessions, but now I'm super ready. I'm funded on Top Step. I'm funded on Blue Sky. Total 250k. I'm super excited to start trading on my funded accounts and just share my reflections, share my journey, post more content from now, because now I am ready, back at it again. I hope you guys like this little project of mine. Not so little, I think this will get some attention because I really like the idea. I hope you guys do, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.